Alright, Mid-Year Mitch fans, we have a new project in the shop today. Join us now as Mitch and his crew of Maverick mechanics cut, grind, and glue, transforming an ordinary 1965 Corvette into a Restomod with a Roadster Shop Spec 7 chassis in Mid-Year Mitch's garage.
Once this is out of the way, we're gonna come through here, just along this radius, back through here. We'll go straight across this wall. We have rear tub glued in.
Yeah, right there.
Is that good? Agree?
This is at the very edge of the...
Did you buy yourself some Mid-Year Mitch merch yet? Make sure you head over to the website because I'm giving away this 67 Corvette Stinger hood. The giveaway goes on until September 30th, 2026. All you have to do is buy yourself stickers, hats, merchandise, 3 printed components such as windshield spacers, panel gap setters, birdcage parts, brand new reproduction beautiful pieces, as well as parts from Vet Masters. All of those parts and pieces will enter you to win this 67 hood. See details below.